Welcome to Better Health in 90. My name is Erin Albert. I'm a pharmacist and Kinetic Health Pharmacy Benefits Practice Lead here at Apex Benefits. One question I'm often asked as a pharmacist is, how should I store my prescription medications? Generally, I share with patients the following. First, store them in their original prescription vials if you can. You may need to take that medication quickly in an emergency, and if you're going to the hospital, for example, and many hospitals will only accept medication in their original vials. If you need to use adherence packaging for your reminders, try to set up your pills once a week for a 7 days supply, not 30 for that exact reason. Second, the medicine cabinet, often in the steamy bathroom, is not the best place to store your medications. Medications should be stored in a cool, dry place, unless they require refrigeration or even freezing. Follow the directions from your doctor or pharmacist, but otherwise, don't store in a place with a lot of humidity. Consider locking them up as well. If you have controlled substances, things like pain medications, some anxiety medications, or even prescription codeine cough syrups, did you know that many addicts start with stealing their family members' prescription-controlled substances as the first step in their addiction? Some people, when going through the house showings, when you have a house for sale, for example, also go through just to steal prescription medications. Be sure to lock up your pain medications and/or controlled substances if or when other family members could have access to them. Never share your prescription medications with your friends or family members either. If you're traveling, you should really keep your prescription medications in the original vial as well. Even though TSA does not require prescription medications to be stored in their original prescription vials, you should check where you're heading to, especially if outside of the United States, and see what their requirements are for customs. When in doubt, keep them in the RX original boxes, vials, or containers. Prescription medications have better storage methods. These are just a few. Be sure to protect your medication and your family by using some of these tips. Thanks again for watching A Better Health in 90.